Before we start our tutorial video today, if you love our videos, please click on like button and make sure to click on subscribe and bell icon to receive notifications of future helpful content of automation and process control. Now let's get started. Control valves have been defined as a continuously varying orifice in a fluid flow line, that is, they change the value of variable by changing the rate of flow. In another word, we use the control valves to control and keep a process variable such as flow, pressure, level, temperature, or even the direction of the fluid within a required operating range to ensure a quality end product is produced. In most applications, a control valve is the final element in the classic control loop. It provides the necessary power to translate the controller's output to process either toe positions, on, off, or proportional, throttling. Of the three basic components of a typical loop, sensor, controller, and valve, the valve is subject to the harshest condition and is the least understood. To complicate matters, the valve is also most expensive and most prone to incorrect selection. Now, let's have a closer look of different parts of the control valve. Body of the valve that the fluid will pass through it. Plug that controls stop or start the flow by exposing the liquid flowing inside the pipe. Bonnet is connected to the body and covers its inner parts. The stem moves up and down to operate a gate. The positioner is another part of the control valve that commands the actuator. And the actuator that transfers the mechanical power to the plug using the stem. Think of a control valve as a doorway. It connects an upstream higher pressure source to a downstream lower pressure destination. And just like a door, it can open and close and have different positions in between. In order for this pressure reduction to occur, there has to be a flowing medium that travels through the control valve. This flow media can be compressible such as air, steam, or natural gas. It can be liquid like water, gasoline, or crude oil. It could also be biphase. Control valves have lots of different types such as glob valves, butterfly valves, diaphragm valves, and so on. In the next tutorial video we'll discuss all these types. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.